We have another warm day out there. We'll get over to Ashton, Altieri with a check on our forecast.
All right, well, good afternoon to you, Mackenzie. Yes, indeed, the 1st of December, and it is very warm outside. Let's talk about November real quick because it was quite a November to remember. It was the third warmest November on record in Denver. We didn't quite reach 1999, and we certainly didn't reach 1949 when it was a scorching warm November, but still, it was warm enough last month for it to qualify as the third warmest when you look at all the daytime highs and the overnight lows together. At night this time of year, we should be around 21. In the afternoon, we should be only around 47. Some neighborhoods were warmer than that this morning. Back on Monday, it was 72. We missed the record by just 2 degrees. Then, as expected, that weak cold front came through. We dropped 10 degrees. Yesterday's high, 61. Today, we're right back to where we were on Monday, 72. Today's record is 73, so we're going to be very close to a record. If we don't tie the record today, we could tie it maybe tomorrow. We'll go with 73 on Thursday. The record is 74. That's one of the oldest record high temperatures that still exists for Denver. That's from 1885. And then on Friday, back to 61. So it seems like we can only be in the lower 60s or lower 70s this week. Either way, it's definitely warmer than usual. Right now, Lookout Mountain, it's 58 degrees. Sun goes down at 4:34. That limits how much we can warm up, obviously. The sun angle and the early sunset certainly puts a cap on warming this time of year. But that said, the airport is still up to 70 right now. And remember, the record is only 73 at DIA. And that's where the official thermometer is located. So it doesn't matter how warm we get downtown or elsewhere. If we make it to 73 at the airport, we'll officially tie the record for this date. So we've had a few high cirrus clouds around that help make for a spectacular sunrise this morning. Not quite as good as that sunset was last night, though. Area of low pressure out to the east of us. This is what moved through Colorado back on Monday night, bringing us that somewhat cooler day yesterday. As that low moves to the east coast today into tonight, high pressure is going to build a little bit farther east into Colorado, and that's going to mean the near record warmth for today and for tomorrow. And unfortunately, with that ridge of high pressure and control, zero moisture in our forecast through the weekend. High pressure promotes sinking air. We need rising air in order to get clouds and precipitation, and we're just not going to get that anywhere in our state through at least Sunday. Temperatures today, again, 70s for most of us at lower elevations east of the mountains. In the high country, we're talking 50s for most mountain towns. Definitely on the warm side for the first day of December. Tomorrow should be at least a degree or two warmer in most neighborhoods around the state. Tomorrow should end up being the warmest day of the week for most of us. And then on Friday, again, a little bit of a drop, but still above normal with a high temperature of 61 degrees. Saturday, 65. Sunday down to 55. The coldest night going into the weekend will be Friday night, but we'll only be around freezing. And then upper 20s Sunday night into Monday morning. Every number you see on your screen right now is above normal, the daytime highs and the overnight lows. It's possible we could get a little bit closer to normal on Tuesday, but we should be around 47, remember, and we're still expecting lower 50s. There is a good chance for some snow in the mountains by Tuesday. Hooray! Maybe a quick rain-snow mix down here on Tuesday. We're not going to get our hopes too high at this point, Mackenzie. We'll watch it and keep you posted.
Well, we'll keep our fingers crossed. Thanks so much, Ashton.